ChatGPT excels at refining ideas and creating detailed prompts for AI image generators. Use it to brainstorm product concepts, identify target audiences, and analyze feasibility. For example, ask ChatGPT to generate ideas for a sustainable phone case, including features and target demographics. Then, refine your chosen idea into a specific prompt for an AI image generator like DALL-E or Midjourney. A good prompt example is photorealistic image of a sleek wireless earbud case made from recycled plastic placed on a wooden desk with natural lighting, showing charging ports in a 3D isometric view. Start by ideating with ChatGPT to brainstorm product ideas and concepts. Then craft a detailed prompt for your chosen image generator using specific descriptions. Generate multiple variations of the mockup using the prompt. Use ChatGPT to critique the outputs and suggest improvements for realism or appeal. Iterate by regenerating with adjusted prompts based on ChatGPT's feedback. Finally, export the mockup to design tools like Photoshop or Blender for final touches and branding. Test your designs by asking ChatGPT to role play as a consumer and provide feedback.